So let me ask you something.
Yes, sir.
In the past, I know that we have tried to do some Airbnb, so we got some Airbnb, and I know it wasn't that easy for a lot of people. But
Not at all.
once we actually got in, we were able to acquire some new property. So I want to ask you a question. So if someone today is trying to go ahead and do Airbnb,
Mhm.
for a lot of people looks unattainable.
Right.
What would you advise them to do? What is the first step that you would tell someone that is trying to get into the Airbnb business today?
Okay, so anytime anybody trying to get into the short-term business, I would tell them the same thing that I would tell anybody trying to get into any business. Get coaching.
Got it.
So if I got $20,000 and it's up to me to, okay, let me go ahead and get this first property and make all these mistakes, or let me put $10,000 down on a mentor and let me do it the right way, I'm always going to go the right way.
Of
But
course,
that's
of
just me
course.
because I bumped my head so many times in the real estate industry that it was, I wish if I
Got
could
it.
take it all back, I would have did things 1,000 times different.
So that's
You got to
awesome. That is
mentor the right
awesome.